When the Galaxy S26 Ultra's battery details first came out, it felt like a letdown. After 6 years, we're still looking at a 5,000 milliamp hour capacity, no increase at all. When the competition is offering battery size of up to 7,000 milliamp hours, Samsung should at least give 6,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. Well, a surprising information offered a new insight. As we know that the 5,000 milliamp hour capacity remains unchanged since the S20 Ultra, but this time there's at least a meaningful upgrade in charging speed. Samsung is bumping it up from 45 watts to 65 watts. That's definitely not groundbreaking by today's standards, but still a big step forward considering how long Samsung stuck with slower charging speeds. Also, instead of simply increasing capacity, Samsung is switching to a higher density battery, similar to what we saw in the S25 Edge. While it's not the silicon carbon tech some had hoped for, it's still more efficient than before. So why not just add a bigger battery? Well, Samsung seems to be aiming for a thinner phone this time. The S26 Ultra is expected to come in under 8mm thick. But then came a surprising explanation from Ice Universe that added important context. Apparently, there's an international shipping regulation that limits the energy capacity of single-cell lithium-ion batteries to 20 watt-hours. A 5,000 milliamp hour phone battery hits right near that threshold. Go beyond it, and companies have to deal with stricter rules, more paperwork, and complicated logistics, especially for markets like the US and Europe. So, to ship millions of phones efficiently, manufacturers stay below that limit. Now, you might wonder how tablets like the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra get away with batteries over 11,000 milliamp hour capacity. The answer lies in the battery design. Larger devices can house multiple cells, and since the 20 watt per hour cap applies per cell, not total capacity, this allows them to safely exceed that limit. Some smartphone brands like OnePlus already use this trick, splitting the battery into two smaller cells to bypass the restriction. It works well, but it adds complexity and cost to the production process. So you can say that Samsung is saving millions here. If other companies are doing it, why not them? What's your take on this? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. In the end, yes, it's disappointing that we aren't seeing a higher battery capacity on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. But now, knowing the regulatory challenges and technical limitations, it becomes clear that it's not just about Samsung playing it safe. It's a combination of global restrictions, production strategy, and perhaps a little corporate conservatism. Still, the question remains, should Samsung take the extra step, add complexity, and finally bring us a larger battery using a dual-cell setup like some competitors? Or is 5,000 milliamp hours good enough if the phone is efficient and well optimized? Let me know what you think in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tech updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.